Good afternoon, or good morning, or something, good evening.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And thank you very much for expecting our video, and thank you to all those who subscribe to our channel and who watched our video. Today's discussion, we are going to talk about the top 5 things that will be experienced by your wife once she's going to get pregnant, and what are these challenges that we want to share with you, and how the husband can be able to support the wife. So in the previous months that we have posted our video, we were talking about the gender reveal. If you haven't seen that one, you may check that one as well. And during that time, it was when how many months I was pregnant during that time, my love? 2 months, I think.
A little bit more, I think.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Yeah, 3 months or
Yeah,
so.
3 months, I think. So we were just very excited during the time, and we didn't know that as we're going through this pregnancy journey, it's kind of quite a lot of challenging. Can you say that it's challenging, my love, or no?
No, for me,
Mm.
it's not challenge. It's
Because you're not the one who's pregnant.
yeah. For me, it's emotional challenge, can be say.
Mm.
I need lesser speak, lesser something do, because somebody sometimes very emotional.
So I'm very thankful that Artem is my husband because he's very supportive and he's very caring. And when it comes to my needs, he's just there always taking care of me in whether it's physical or emotional. So that's what we're going to discuss as of this time, because it's important that the wife will be supported, especially if it's a first time pregnancy, because every woman will encounter different experiences as we're going to go through the pregnancy journey, and there should be somebody, a husband, a supportive husband. So thank you for that, my love. So first thing that we want to mention with regards to the challenge will be the emotional challenge. What are those that you have observed on me with regards to emotional challenges?
Something emotional, probably more feels it's scare or stress.
Mm-hmm.
This is first emotional what I think more opens in the time pregnant.
Mm. Like there will be emotional ups and downs, and this is probably because of the hormones that hormonal changes that the woman will be experiencing throughout the pregnancy journey. So sometimes I'm like, there is heightened stress when it comes to like riding a car. I can easily get stressed with things when in fact before it was not like that.
Yeah,
And then like I can cry sometimes with just the things that I can't explain. So there's a lot of emotional challenges that will really be there for your wife. So it's very important that the husband is able to support. So what Artem is doing is he's just going to he's just going to understand.
yes. Listen, nothing say, and happen. Okay, what I
Yeah.
can do? Nothing.
So at times that I feel like crying, and I will just cry, and Arthur is saying it's fine, everything will be okay. So it's that reassuring attitude of Artem that makes it easier for me to navigate the pregnancy with regards to the emotional challenges, emotional ups and downs. So these things are expected to the women out there, especially those first time moms. So these are expected. The second one will be physical pains. What have you observed? My love, with regards to physical pains?
I
Physical
think
changes.
physical changes more feels last 2 months pregnancy.
Mm-hmm.
It's a difficult move, back pain, impossible do massage, so need maximum support, maximum help, maximum care for the move because for sure difficult. I think
Mm.
for every pregnant woman it's difficult, and I am agree with every doctor need more sport.
Yeah. I'm not exercising a lot. And that's probably the reason why I experience a lot of physical pains as well. First things first, also, there will be changes on your physical appearance. And like I am at 58. My weight was from 58 to now 71. So it's like, I feel like, oh my God, there's too much weight that I have now, and it changes a lot. You become chubby, especially the time oh, round. My face is rounded, so it becomes more round. There will be changes with regards to like the color of your skin, and a lot of water will be accumulated in your feet. And these things I complain a lot to Artem, like, oh, my weight is already too big, my feet is already too big. So, and Artem is just there saying, "You
Don't
are
worry, you're
pregnant."
pregnant.
That's the thing that he is saying. Don't worry, you're pregnant. This is just 9 months. After that, it will be okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for the health, need include very important moment. You not only change physical, you need check what you eat
Mm.
because in the Philippines available high risk sick have problem with sugar. This
Mm.
is very important control.
Yeah, we call it gestational diabetes. That as what mentioned by our OB-GYN, a lot of Filipinos are more prone to having gestational diabetes because of the genes that we have. So with what Arta mentioned also as well earlier with regards to body pains, I feel a lot of cramps, especially on the third trimester. It's always happening in the very early morning. And what are you doing for me?
Stable 4 a.m. First stop crumple.
Crumbs.
Next massage for the
Mm,
feet because need relax muscles
yeah.
and relieve pain.
Mm. And if there will be no supportive husband who's going to help you out with those crumbs, it's very difficult because it's happening early in the morning, and it feels really very painful. So having somebody who's going to help you out through that will be a big help. And with regards to body pain, there's a lot of pelvic pain that you will experience. So these body changes and body pains are uh, quite kind of challenging, but I know that you can also be able to go through that. It's just part of the pregnancy journey that you will experience. Another challenge is I have to wake up in the middle of the night because I feel hungry, and I felt like doing that will disturb the sleep of my husband. So
Nothing
how do you
disturbed,
treat
but
it like that?
refrigerator need close.
So how do you see it? Do you see it like it's a kind of disturbance on your sleep as well? Because I feel hungry in the middle of the night and I have to get up and I'm disturbing your sleep.
Mm, I know you're going eat only morning. We say me about this. I nothing feel disturbed.
You don't feel disturbed. So it's good thing if your husband will not consider it as a disturbance, because it's really like it's going to happen in the middle of the night. You will feel very hungry, and that will happen in the first trimester. and second trimester perhaps, because on the third trimester you're not going to experience that anymore. Just letting you know that these things are normal, and hopefully that your husband will just feel okay about that, being disturbed with his sleep in the middle of the night because the wife gets hungry.
I don't know. It's not emergency. It's not disturbed.
So the fourth one, guys, will be the physical changes. I think I have mentioned earlier with regards to the changes physically, like you're going to change with regards to, there will be changes with regards to the skin color, especially if it's a male. But I'm not so sure if it's true that with males, like you can experience to having like darker skin tone compared to having a female child. So I have mentioned already about the changes on your physical appearance, and hopefully you are just going to accept that it's normal to be that. It's normal to have these changes because this will just be part of the pregnancy. Hopefully after some time, then it will already be back to being normal. Back to being the previous you.
Yes, and can include difficult breath.
Ah, yes, yes. Difficult breathing and difficult when it comes to moving around. Mm. Yeah. So the last one will be definitely one of the challenges as well is you have to go to the time with regards to going to the hospital visits, having the preparation for the baby things, having needing assistance from somebody who's going to provide you support when it comes to the needs of being pregnant. Say for example, Artem is ordering. He's the one ordering the things for me. What are the things that you were ordering?
Anything what you give help.
Uh huh.
Pillow, pillow for seat, pillow for back, something comforter,
Mm,
support for the tummy.
mm.
So I hope this is help you feel more comfort and not so much pain.
Yeah, it is a lot of help that there is a husband, a very supportive husband who's going to help you out with these things, because if you're kind of a busy person, so you will also be thinking a lot of things like work, perhaps, and then you also have to consider your physical needs, your the needs that you need for your pregnancy. So if you are collaborating and helping each other to resolve all of these things, then it will be easier, especially if the husband will be very understanding to also support and provide support to you in whatever need that you have. Additionally, with regards to hospital visit or clinic visit, so far in every visit that I had, I always had Artem. Whether it's hospital, whether we need to go to the laboratory, whether it's going to for monthly OB clinic visits. So Artem is always there, reminding me with the things that I need, with my laboratory things, with the documents, and even he's the one excited to prepare for the hospital bag.
Motivated more every day.
Yeah, so he was the one who was mentioning we need to already prepare for the hospital bag, like even a month before before having the delivery. So these things can be quite challenging, can be quite overwhelming, and sometimes it kind of stressful because you have to balance and you have to do a lot of things. But what I can say is that because Artem is very supportive, Artem is very caring and super understanding, we're able to reach this 9 months of pregnancy journey without having any conflict with regards to the matters. Did we had any conflict? Did we had any trouble or quarreling? Or did we quarrel about the things?
No.
As you remember? No. Not
Very
not
important. Stop. Right time.
uh-huh.
Not say. Not need words.
Mhm.
Or say need words. Right
Mm.
time.
Mm.
No more.
Sometimes I will complain a lot because I feel like this, like, my love, I feel too much pain, and it's very it's reassuring that Artem will just keep on understanding. So having somebody, a husband who will always understand your needs will be very helpful, so that as you're going through this journey, it will be easier for you to handle the things. And I hope that you're also blessed with that person in your life, especially if it's your first time pregnancy, because there's a lot of things that we don't know yet as a first time parent, as a first time mom. So we hope that this video is kind of helpful for those who are also interested of knowing what could be the challenges for first time mom or first time parents, and how the husband can be able to support the wife as somebody's going through the pregnancy journey. So thank you very much, you guys, for your time, and we are very excited because in few weeks, somebody will already be with us.
Next week or maybe after 2 weeks.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and
Time with us.
thank you for sharing your time with us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we hope that you can do so, because a lot of our viewers here, as we have seen in the analytics, that they have not yet subscribed to our videos yet. Thank you very much, and
Thank
see
you.
you again next
Bye.
week. Bye.